What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. I was contemplating doing the back to school series because I know school looks different for everybody this year. I don't know. I felt like we needed to do something, and so today we're gonna be doing a back to school essentials. And if I were in school and I was, doing homeschooling or whatever, I would still wanna kind of create that environment for me so that I had a routine, I had structure, and I had a difference between like home and school life and still make it as special as it could be. So these are gonna be things that you can use whether or not you're going back to school physically or you're gonna do it virtually. So I'm super excited for these goodies. It is a giveaway. I will have all of that information at the end of the video. But before we get started, I'd love it if you subscribed to my channel and followed along on social. This video has a corresponding Target vlog shop with me video, so definitely check that out. I go over all the school supply stuff, and I also do another one that's gonna be all like home decor and showing, I just mixed showing and sharing. Sharing the fall, Hearth and Home Magnolia line. And just a side note, who's excited for the Studio McGee line? I am. Okay, so let's get into this. Man, this is like the 11th giveaway. Wow. They had these really, they remind me of those popular backpacks, those nylon-y canvas ones. I've been really into this color lately, so I picked up this bag for you guys. I wanted to do something that had a lot of space so you could put all of your essentials in there. This doubles as a makeup bag. It's waterproof, and I think it's really a nice minty color. So inside, what you guys are going to be getting, and I go over all of this in the vlog too. Okay, I feel like this is an essential. It's a face mask, just a really pretty, I call this hot peach, but it just calls it pink. I like that this is cotton because cotton breathes, and I've noticed that some of the masks that are either polyester or like a man-made material, they don't breathe very well and they sweat and they get gross. So I was really happy I could find some cotton ones for you guys. And then of course, we have a little mini hand sanitizer. This one is grapefruit scent. I really hope you like grapefruit because it smells really nice. So we're gonna be twins because I got myself one of these as well, but I always had to have chapstick in school. Besides it being like very dry air, excuse me, my dogs are being a little bit loud. Koa. I always had chapstick. It was kind of like when I would start to zone out and be like, I need to do something, I would just take out my chapstick. So I'm gonna open mine so I can give you guys a little sneak peek. I got the Cool Mint. I think we were going with a theme here. So we've got the little Sun Bum. I love their products in general. I remember when I first started working at the surf shop, it's like circa 2010, I think. They just started carrying Sun Bum. It was brand new. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is like mint chocolate chip ice cream. You're gonna like that chapstick. That's a good chapstick. All right, another essential are some hair ties. I wanted to do something a little different. Previously, I just did the Scoonie. Is it Scoonie or scrunch? Like, how do you pronounce it? Scrunch? Just the normal black hair elastics. But I feel like scrunchies are so in right now, and I loved these colors for fall. So cute, and they're, a little more like low profile and small versus like your standard scrunchie. So I just feel like they go with everything. Got you guys some of those. I absolutely love that Target has all of the little minis now. If I was in high school, this would have really like been a game changer because they carry so many different brands versus just your like typical travel stuff that you would always get at the drugstore. So I got you guys the Native brand deodorant, Cucumber and Mint. It's a little mini natural deodorant. It's so cute. And these don't have any aluminum or anything like that. Pretty sure it's fragrance free. It just has like natural essential oils. Little like crank up. It smells really nice. I should have gotten myself one. I've been wanting to try that brand. I also have some like legitimate school supplies that I can send you guys if you guys want me to do like 2 different giveaways. I just wasn't really sure about doing like a full-on school supplies video just because I feel like school is going to be so different this year. But you will get to see all of the different things that Target has to offer. I go over like everything, binders, notebooks. I go over some tips for organization and what I think would be best for virtual schooling. So definitely check that out for some advice. I did pick you guys up a couple different supplies that I think were just like super fun, and I've talked about these before. This is the Papermate Flare Felt Tip, special edition candy pop colors. These are so fun for notes. They're really great for highlighting too if you want to underline stuff, circle things in your book. These colors are so fun. They're like a more jewel toned. I love it. I actually have these and they're my favorite. I also got you guys a pack of mini highlighters, and these are pastels by the brand UB. They sell a lot of the UB brand products. They're at a great price point. I highly recommend them, but I just couldn't pass up on these colors for you guys. Plus they're small, so they'll easily fit in your bag. Again, sticking with the pastel theme, we had to do some fun pencils. So these are the U brand speckled hex. So it's a hexagon, like speckled, really fun neutral colors. This is actually made with recycled plant materials, which is pretty cool. So I had to pick you guys up some of those. Gum, I always give you guys a pack of extra gum. It's my personal favorite. I know everyone's really picky about gum, but I always like to try to persuade you guys to try this one. It's really, really delicious. Another favorite that I feel like you always need for school, whether you're homeschooling, virtual, whatever the case may be, are like little page flags to mark your textbooks. What I like to do, and I've done a couple different note-taking videos, which I can link down below and up here, you can make like each color a certain thing. So whether it's like vocabulary, a topic, depending on the subject, you know, if it's math, you could do a color for types of equations. You could do, if you're doing history, you could make one color just for dates. So like do it that way, and then you can coordinate those colors with your notes. So like if you picked orange for dates for history, do orange markings in your notes as well and have it coordinate with the orange in the textbook. Make sense? So definitely needed some page flags. Now we all get a little hangry at school, and I've done protein bars in the past. I've done a little granola things, but I'm a huge fan of Smart Sweets. And there's something about like the sour candy that just kind of is like exciting. And like we would always get like Skittles and stuff like that during school. And I just made sitting in class more fun if your teacher lets you have a snack, or it's like something to look forward to in study hall or something. But these don't have nearly the amount of sugar that normal candy does. They're 100 calories per pack, 42 carbs total, but it's 13 grams of fiber, which is crazy. But so you're getting only 3 grams of sugar. They're plant-based, fibrous, naturally flavored, free from artificial colors and artificial sweeteners. This is berry, blue raz, lime, lemon, and orange. It's a women-owned company. Tara, who owns this, she's a really cool entrepreneur. And so these are kind of like Sour Patch Kids. They make like Swedish Fish, peach rings, gummy bears. Do they have worms yet? I think they just came out with a new one. I don't remember what it is, but these are great. Fun to just throw in your bag. All right, so those are my essentials for this year. I'm probably gonna be throwing in some extra goodies for you guys because it does get a little bit redundant, but I always kind of do the standard, like I'll throw in Band-Aids and a little like Scentbird perfume for you. Just the kind of things that you would wanna have if you have like an emergency, maybe a little Tide to Go stick. I couldn't go a year without doing a back to school essentials video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these little goodies and are excited to try and win this. Okay, so the giveaway. How do you enter? Okay, so the first thing you need to do is be a subscriber to my channel and turn notifications on. Hit the little bell so that way you don't miss videos, and follow along on social media. Comment down below saying that you entered over on Instagram so I can check, so comment on this video. And if you wanna see like more school related stuff, how to how to navigate homeschooling, because I actually did a year at home myself. Definitely let me know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up because it also really supports my channel. It helps me to know what kind of content you guys want to see. Also, side note, all of these rules are going to be in the description box, so you can check that out too. Head over to my Instagram at Haley Cairo, give it a follow. You will see the picture that coordinates with these items, and tag 2 friends and tell me what your school situation is for this year. Are you homeschooling? Are you virtual schooling? I want to know. I'm actually really curious since I'm not in school anymore. What are you guys doing? Yeah, and tag 2 friends. So that is what you have to do to win this giveaway. If you are a student who is doing something new this year, whether you're virtual schooling, A and B days, whatever it may be, I'm gonna be doing more productivity videos from home, work from home type style things, how to set up a office space, how to get the most out of your day, productivity hacks. So you definitely don't wanna miss out on those. Subscribe. And then if you want to have some more fun content, we're still renovating the house. We're gonna have a lot of content and decor and DIYs and things like that. And I would love to have you guys stick around and check it out. But as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.